Enough niceness for the Memorial Weekend. Hi, I am Debbie. The lineup spanning the genres, from Buju, Romain Virgo and Chronic Law to Beres and Marcia. As dancehall's profile rises once more and other acts return to the U.S. market, long-running gigs like Best of the Best are back in business.
Tell them so we bless, tell them we bless, tell them we bless, tell them we bless.
Best of the Best billed as a Memorial Weekend family event unfolding on the Bayfront in Miami.
Make we shine like stars above.
Pitched at West Indians and fans of reggae, dancehall and soca music. 18 stagings thus far, but COVID pressing the pause button.
It's just not Miami alone come to Best of the Best. People from all over the world.
Now returning May 25th, headlined by Beres Hammond, Buju and Marcia Griffiths.
Me's a old school man, you know. Me just look young, but me come from the 70s to the 80s and my era of music this.
The face of Best of the Best radio jock Jabba, inspired by Buju Banton's intimate concerts in Jamaica.
Where is Buju bring you good,
Me say, Buju get back in visa. I say, and then me say, Dada know, the great love doctor. I sing out, and then now we say, yo, we got intimate, and the whole place burned down, and we catch a vibe.
Best of the Best, the 19th iteration, about delivering feel-good music for the whole family. It's marquee names, all with solid catalogues.
Me draw for Wayne, my boy Romain Virgo. I don't know, me have to draw for the Queen Sister Marcia Griffiths. The things start get dizzy. I mean, I said, no, it wouldn't right. Nadine, come in.
Others coming in too for the youngsters in the crowd. A test of song familiarity and performance skill in front of a big audience.
My son now, him is a little youth who love the thing them. He must say, yo, daddy, nothing for we. I must say, come 450, come sing out. And then you don't know, Chronicle, him have that something there. Enough people did have him up for what go on in Jamaica where they with the politician bad word and rare. Chronicle, come sing with the big people and show them, say, yo, you can't control a big people crowd without you have to say, rare, are there.
That, in essence, the story of Best of the Best's current lineup. Let's hear now from a big producer and some of the headliners, including Buju Banton, who's eager to engage with more audiences, but urging his fellow DJs not to clown out this.
That we have not performed in Miami nor anywhere close to Miami in a long time together, not even New York. It's been a while. So Miami is going to be blessed to be the first to be seeing Buju Banton and Beres and Marcia grace the stage in unison. So it's also an epic moment to look forward to, and I'm looking forward to it. It's a mixture of not just people who used to play Best of the Best from then, but also new adherents who we want to get the people and the fan base warmed up to.
The gates have been reopened for dancehall and reggae music in the United States. You were also at Vybz Kartel show as well. Looking at all of the reception combined between yourself, Vybz Kartel, now being the man about to do a show. What are your thoughts?
The journey of 1,000 miles, we're given a single step, and I think we have made 2 bold steps. So we need the 3rd and the 4th and the 5th, and the journey can only get better.
You guys have basically been paving the way now. Vybz Kartel, yourself being the man. What would you say now to the artists looking on to get themselves prepared to enter this market?
We learn from people. I learned from Shabba, I learned from Ninja Man, I learned from all the greats who went before me. Flower Gun, Red Dragon, Daddy Lizard, Clement Irie, all the greats who went, Josie Wales. And here we are now today. We want the next generation to at least take a page from our book so they can bring this music further, so the next generation after them can have a music. It's not my position or my place anymore to tell people what to do or how to do anything. I try to warn my people when it comes to the vaccine. I was lambasted and cursed now. In the aftermath of that, I don't think I want to do that anymore. To each their own, but for the interest of the music, there's stuff that we need to do. I don't give a not about a guy's personal life. You know what I mean? Just don't clown out this.
I love the combination. It's like then and now. I love everything. We have Romain, Nadine, myself, who is from, way back coming to, so it's beautiful. And every time I share stage with certain artists, it just gives me an extra lift. Because as Buju said, we're coming from way back. Beres, Wayne Wonder, and Buju and myself. I was like the mother for all of these artists. So it's just a wonderful, warm, family affair feeling for me. Something I'm looking forward to.
You're toasted as the queen of reggae music, and we know continuity is very important to any genre.
One of my highlights in my career, 61 years, is to see that I have inspired almost 100% of the women in the business today. And it's not me say that. They are the ones who always mention it, that I was their inspiration. So I'm so happy. As I usually say, what I see happening now is a little of everything. We have a little sugar, with a little spice. We have just about everything, and it's beautiful. It's like you watch seeds planted, and now you're watching them grow beautifully.
Once we can get to showcase our music, it transcends, you know what I mean? So best of the best, definitely good vibe.
DJ Khaled. You know, I came up on Best of the Best. This is good vibes, man. You know, I found out they was doing a press conference. I said, I gotta come by.
Khaled putting together an album symbolizing an end to feuds and divisions in dancehall.
Buju Banton, Movado, Vibes Cartel, and Bounty Killer, and all on one record. Never been done before. It's gonna be on my album called Alama God.
I have to ask you about the synergy inside that studio between Vibes Cartel and Movado, coming from their history.
Well, you know, they're brothers, you know what I'm saying? But yes, they have a history, and the history is beautiful because what I love about it is that they're overcomers. You know what I mean? And that's what it's about. Buju Banton, an overcomer. You know, we're all overcomers, you know what I'm saying? But that situation is just incredible because both of them are brothers. And, you know, shout out to Movado, his son just came home. So, you know what I mean? Just to see that brotherhood and them shouting each other out on shows. And then when we made the announcement that they're on a record together, it just shows you that unity is strength. That's what it's about. Positivity, unity, God, family, you know, blessings. You know what I mean? The Jamaica way.
Best of the best, a reminder that the Bayfront isn't Jamaica.
If you go overtime, you can go overtime in Miami, 11:59. If at 12 o'clock you're going to get a fine, the whole of the money you work hard for, go right to the government of Miami. So you're going to lock up, and it's a family show, and we have 2 soca, and that's it.
Will Vibes ever make it on the Best of the Best stage ever?
Remember, we first booked Vibes Cartel before him could come back America, you know, via satellite, you know. So if we can afford Vibes Cartel, we must have Cartel at the world boss. Can't go around it.
Will Buju and Beres sell out Best of the Best this year?
Would Buju and Beres sell out? People, listen to me and listen to me good. Best of the Best sell off already. The only one thing we ask, Father God, clear skies. That's it.
Tell the people why they should come to Best of the Best.
Because it's the best of the best.
A musical upliftment waiting for you. Enough niceness.
Tell them so we bless. Tell them we bless. Tell them we bless. Tell them we bless.